Hey guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube tutorial on my YouTube channel. And in this one, we're gonna learn how to turn this picture into something like this. So stay tuned and cue the intro. Alright, we're gonna go into Lightroom. And this is the picture we're working with today. And this will be the result. So first, I want to straighten my image using this tool. Like this. And additionally, I want to use the upright function again. That looks alright. And then I just want to zoom in. My bad. Wait a second, that was my WhatsApp. Alright. And zoom in. And put the subject into the middle. Alright, that looks good to me. Now I'm just gonna do a small little edit on it, brighten it up, and add one of my presets. It basically doesn't matter how you edit this picture, just edit it the way you want it to be. I'm quite happy with this one, so I'm gonna proceed. And now I'm gonna go over to Photoshop. The best way to do it is to just right click and go to Edit in Photoshop. And it's gonna open Photoshop for you. I just press OK here, I have no idea what it means. And now we got the image in Photoshop. We're gonna unlock it. And with Ctrl J, we're gonna create a copy of the layer. And how the effect works, it's you just put a filter on the second layer you just created. Then we're gonna go and create a layer mask on it, and we just brush away everything that we want to get blurred. And I show you what that means. So first of all, we will create a layer mask for the second layer that we just created. And click on the left hand side, so you're not using the layer now. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. It's probably not gonna change the way it did now for me, but you're just gonna go to the angle, choose 90, and for the distance you can choose whatever feels good to you. I just like using 2000 pixels, so go all the way. And we're gonna press yes. And if I go click on the layer mask now and invert it, so make it black, it will be the original picture. With the layer mask being black, everything that I paint on it with white, with a white brush, will have the distortion effect. So I go over to my brush tool. I can increase the size when holding Alt and right key, like this. Make sure I have white selected. And now everything that I will paint away will have the effect on it, right? So if I paint here, the effect will be applied. And I will do that now for everything that I want to be blurred. Just make it a little bit smaller. Go for opacity 100% by the way, and flow 100. And I want this edge here to be not blurred at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and be a bit more precise. Same to the other side. I'll just go and make a rough selection around the subject, just so I can show you what the effect does. And then with the bigger brush, I can just paint away. So you can see now that I've overdone it on some parts of my subject, and to get rid of that, or maybe I'll add some more here, here. It's actually quite hard to see with the yellow thingy. So now it looks already quite good. Oh, I did the wrong. Alright, and now, as you can see, my subject is a bit blurred. So if I want to get rid of that, I just invert the colors, so I paint black now. Everything I paint will get turned to the original image again. So, for example, in here it's a bit blurred, so I just use the black brush and it should look like this. So now it almost looks like a curtain somehow. And I will do the same here again with white to get rid of distractions. Turn it black again, and now I can paint in the subject. For the sake of this tutorial, I won't do it as thorough as I did with the original image, but I think you will get the point of how to achieve this effect. And yeah, I wish you happy editing with it and good luck. Feel free to follow me on my socials, they're all down below. Leave a like and a comment, and I appreciate you for joining me on this little small tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay creative.